Hello students, how are you? Yes, I am also fine. I hope you are all safe and healthy. Welcome to online maths class, my dear students. Okay, what did we learn in last class? My dear students, what did we learn in last class? Lines, ray, line segment, draw shapes, types of lines, measure and draw line segment. Okay, today we learn about draw shapes. Okay, so what is the topic? Draw shapes. Okay, you know the shapes, ma? So what is the shape? This is square. Okay, so what is the shape? This is square. Okay students, see there. So what is the shape? So this is triangle. Okay, so what is this? This is triangle. Okay, so what is this shape? This shape is cylinder. So this is cylinder. Okay, so what is this shape? This is, see there, this is square, cube. Okay, okay. Okay, listen carefully. Today we learn about draw shapes. Okay, already we learned measure shapes. Okay, already we learned measure shapes. Today we learn draw shapes. Okay, so what is this line? See that. So what is this line? So this line is horizontal. Okay, this line, so vertical line. Okay, this line is horizontal line. Okay students, you take a page number 82. Take a page number 82. So this line horizontal. Horizontal line and this line vertical line. Okay ma? So this is horizontal line and this line is vertical line. You already learned types of lines. Okay, we recall the lines. Take a page number 76 ma. Students, take a page number 76. Okay, so this is horizontal line, vertical line and this one is slant line. What is that? Slant. Slant line. Okay, so this one is curved line. Okay, what is this line? So this is curved line. This is curved line. Okay, first we recall the types of lines ma. So this one is horizontal line. Okay, vertical line, slant line and this line is curved line. What is the line? Name of the line? So this is curved line. Okay, horizontal line, vertical line, slant line and curved line. Okay ma. Now we take a page number 83. Okay ma. Take a page number 83. So draw shapes. What is the title? So draw shapes. How to draw a shapes? Okay, listen carefully. How to draw a shapes. Okay, so first one, using a ruler. So what are the main tools? Ruler and set square. Okay, ruler and set square. Okay ma. Okay ma, see there. So what is this? This is ruler. So what is this? This is ruler. So this is set square. This one is set square. These are set square. Okay. So this is ruler. So this is set square. Okay. This is the main important tools in draw shapes. Okay. So students, take a page number 83 ma. Take a page number 83. So what is the question? Draw a rectangle of length 7 centimeter. Okay. So length 7 centimeter. Length, a short form of L. Okay. So this is length 7 centimeter and height. So height is a short form of H. Okay. So height equal to 3 centimeter. Okay ma. So length 7 centimeter, height 3 centimeter. Okay. First we revise the steps. Okay. Take a page number 83 ma. So using a ruler, draw a horizontal line. Draw a horizontal line. First we take a ruler. Okay. Using a ruler, draw a horizontal line of 7 centimeter and mark it as QR. Okay. So first you take a ruler. So this is ruler. Okay. First using a ruler, draw a horizontal line of 7 centimeter. So what is the horizontal line? And this line is horizontal line. Okay. So mark a 7 centimeter. Okay. So before, my dear students, take a page number 80, measure and draw a line. Okay. First we revise the line segment, measure a line. Okay. So it's a main rule. Okay. Take a page number 80 ma. Take a page number 80. So keep the 0 centimeter end of the ruler on the point A and count till you reach point B. Read marking on the ruler at point B. Write the measurement in centimeter. Okay. So this is how to measure a line segment ma. So now how to draw a line segment. How to draw a line segment. So this is main. Okay. So place the ruler, mark point P at 0 centimeter. So okay. So using a ruler. Okay. Count 6 centimeter on the ruler. Mark a point at 6 centimeter and name its point Q. Okay. So join points P and Q with a line and write 6 centimeter below it. Okay. So using these types of rules. Okay. So students, take a page number 83. Take a page number 83. So what is the first step? Students, read the first step. So using a ruler, draw a horizontal line of 7 centimeter and mark it as QR. Okay. Now this is horizontal line. Okay. Start 0 and point out the 7 centimeter horizontal line. Okay. You understand? Okay. What is the first rule? What is the first step? So using a ruler. Okay. So this is ruler. Using a ruler. Okay ma. Draw a horizontal line of 7 centimeter. Mark it as QR. So now we denoted QR. So this one is 7 centimeter. Okay ma. Do you understand? So this is horizontal line 7 centimeter. So what is this? This is length. Okay. So the rectangle of length is the 7 centimeter. So what is the first step ma? So using a ruler, draw a horizontal line of 7 centimeter. Mark Q. Okay. Mark Q and R. Okay. So what is the next step? So place at a set square and Q. Draw a vertical segment 3 centimeter. Mark point B. Okay. So take a set square. So this one is set square. Okay. So point out the 3 centimeter. Okay. So point out 3 centimeter. Okay students, so what is the second step? So place a set square. So this is set square. Okay ma, so this is set square. On the point R and draw another vertical. Okay, place a set square at Q. So where is the Q? And this is the Q point. So this is Q. Okay, so place the set square. Okay, so place the set square. Okay, so read that. So place the set square. At a Q, draw a vertical segment 3 centimeter. Okay, start with 0 centimeter. So 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Okay, so mark the point 3 centimeter. Okay ma, do you understand? So this is 3 centimeter of height. So what is the height name? So height numbers are 3 centimeter. Okay, height 3 centimeter, length 7 centimeter. So what is the next rule? So what is the next rule ma? Place the set square on point R and draw another vertical segment of 3 centimeter. Okay, another vertical segment. Okay, so you take a set square. So point in the R. Okay, start from R. So you point out the 3 centimeter. Okay, so okay, listen carefully. So this is 3 centimeter of another height. Okay, do you understand ma? Yes. Okay, so what is the next step? So join P and S to form a rectangle. Okay, join P and S using a ruler. Okay, so using a ruler join. So this one is P and this is S. Okay, so join P and S. Okay, so now, so this is also 7 centimeter. Okay ma, so join P and S to form rectangle PQRS. Okay, once again we recall. Okay, using a ruler draw horizontal line at 0, start from 0 and end 7 centimeter. Okay, what is the next step? So take a set square. So mark a point Q and 3 centimeter. Okay, so this point is P. Okay, this is height of 3 centimeter. Okay ma, so what is the next step? So another vertical side. Okay, another point is at R. Okay, start from R. So take a second vertical line. So it's a R. So it's also 3 centimeter. So what is the last step? Okay, join P and S. Now we get one small rectangle. Okay, so this is one rectangle shape. Okay, so what is the length? So this is 7 centimeter and height is 3 centimeter. Okay ma, do you understand? So students take a page number 83. Students take a page number 83 ma. So what is the first step? Using a ruler, draw a horizontal line of 7 centimeter. Mark it as QR. This is QR. Okay. So next one, place a set square at Q. Here draw vertical line. So this is set square. Okay. So this is point out in 3 centimeters. Start from 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay ma. So this is 3 centimeter. Okay. So vertical segment of 3 centimeter on point P. Okay, place the set square on the point R and draw another vertical line in 3 centimeter. Okay, so what is the last step? So join P and S. Okay, ma, do you understand? So this is a small rectangle. Okay, so in a similar manner as above, square can also be drawn. Okay, so in a square, all sides are equal. Okay, square means all sides are equal. So this is rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. So lengths are equal and heights also equal. Opposite sides are equal for rectangle. All sides are equal in square. Okay ma. So students take a page number 84. Students take a page number 84 ma. Okay, so draw a square 3 centimeter. What is the first sum? Solve the following. Okay, worksheet number 9. This is worksheet number 9. Worksheet number 9. So first question, draw a square. Draw a square of 3 centimeter length on each side. Okay, so yes, the side means yes equal to 3 centimeter. Okay, so what is the first step? Okay, see the slide ma. Okay, drawing and measuring line segment using a ruler. Okay, we need a metric scale and sharpened pencil to draw line segment or any shapes. Okay ma. So now we move to draw shapes. Okay, draw shapes. Okay, students, please see the slide ma. So you take a page number 84. Okay, so using these steps, okay, solve the following questions. Draw a square of 3 centimeter length on each side. Length on each side. Okay, so now we go to draw. Okay, so now we go to one square shape. So first, using a ruler, first you draw a horizontal line. What is the centimeter? What is this? 3 centimeter. Okay, so draw one horizontal line, start to 0. So this is 3 centimeter. Now we point out, for example, A and B. Okay, so now students, please see the slide, see the board ma. Okay, so what is the next step? So you take a set square. Okay, so you point out, so you start to A, so another draw a one vertical line. So also 3 centimeter. Why we draw a 3 centimeter ma? Square sides are equal, all sides are equal in square. Okay, so 1, starter 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so next, this is 3 centimeter. So now join a line, vertical line. Okay ma. So another side is also 3 centimeter. Okay ma. So see there. So 3 centimeter. Okay. Okay. 1, 2 and 3. So this is 3 centimeter. Okay, so join the vertical line. Okay ma. So this name is B, C and D. Okay, so what is the next step? So join the horizontal line C and D. Okay, so you take a ruler. So join C and D. So these also 3 centimeter. Okay, so AB 3 centimeter, BD 3 centimeter and AC 3 centimeter and CD also 3 centimeter. Okay ma. So how to draw a square of 3 centimeter length on each side? Okay, recall that. So S equal to 3 centimeter. First you take a one ruler, you draw a point in a A. Okay, you measure a, you draw a line in 3 centimeter. You take a set square. Okay, so this is a set square. So this is set square. Okay, so you point out here the vertical line in 3 centimeter. So you point in C. So opposite sides also 3 centimeter. Okay, you join the line in 3 centimeter. Okay, ma. So AB. So AB equal to 3 centimeter. Okay, BD. BD equal to 3 centimeter. Okay, so what is the next line? So what is the next horizontal line? Students, you tell the answer. So C and D. Okay, C and D also 3 centimeter. Okay, what is the next vertical line? So A and C. A and C also 3 centimeter. Okay, all sides are equal in square. Okay, ma? You understand? Yes. Okay. So what is the main rules? Okay, students, you take a page number 83. So using a ruler, draw a horizontal line. This is first step. Okay, so point out in a page number 83. Using a ruler, draw a horizontal line. Draw a horizontal line of 7 centimeter. Mark it as QR. Okay, so this is AB. Okay, so what is the next step? Take a set square. So draw a one vertical line of 3 centimeter. And also next step. So take a set square and draw a other vertical line in opposite side of 3 centimeter. Okay, so last step, join C and D. This is vertical horizontal line. Okay, so this is here. Now we get one small square. Sorry, small square. Okay, so all sides are equal. Okay, ma? Do you understand? Yes. Okay, students, you take a page number 84. Students, take a page number 84. Okay, ma? So, fourth sum, draw a rectangle, second sum, draw a rectangle of 7 centimeter. Okay. B sum, draw a rectangle. Draw a rectangle of 7 centimeter length. Okay, 7 centimeter length and 2 centimeter height. And 2 centimeter height. Okay, this is a question. Okay, so what is the length? So length equal to 7 centimeter. So what is the height? 2 centimeter. Height equal to 2 centimeter. Now we go to draw a shape. Okay, ma? So what is the main tools? Ruler and set square. Okay. So what is the first step? So you will draw a small horizontal line in length 7 centimeter. Okay. So draw one line, horizontal line 7 centimeter. Okay, so this is 7 centimeter. So point out in, for example, P and Q. So what is the line? So this is horizontal line. So what is the next step, ma? So you take a set square. So this is set square. So point out in a, what is the height? 2 centimeter. Okay, so you draw a vertical line of 2 centimeter. So this is 0, 1, 2. Okay, so point out in 2. So join a vertical line. So this is PQ. Yes. Okay, so what is the next step, ma? So opposite sides also draw one vertical line in 2 centimeter. Okay, PQ or S. Okay, ma? You understand? So what is the last step? Join the one horizontal line for S and centimeter and height 2 centimeter. PQ equal to 7 centimeter. QR equal to 2 centimeter. SR equal to 7 centimeter and PS equal to 2 centimeter. So, draw a rectangle of 7 centimeter length and 2 centimeter of height. First, what is the first step? Once again we recall. So, what is the first step, ma? So, the main tools are ruler and set square. Okay. So, you take a pencil to draw one horizontal line. So, this is horizontal line in a 7 centimeter. Okay. So, what is the next step, ma? You take a set square. So, this is a set square. So, you point out in a 2 centimeter. Why? So, this is height of 2 centimeter. Okay. So, you draw a vertical line of 2 centimeter. So, what is the next step? So, also draw opposite sides in 2 centimeter height. Okay. So, these also 2 centimeter. So, what is the next step? Last step. So, join your horizontal line in S and R. Okay. S and R. Okay. So, this is height equal to 2 centimeter, length equal to 7 centimeter. Do you understand this topic, ma? So, how to draw a shapes in the rectangle and square. Okay. Do you understand? Yes. Okay, ma. So, today homework. Students, you take a page number 84. So, this is page number 84. Okay. So, C and D. These are the homework. Worksheet number 9. Worksheet number 9. C and D homework. Okay. Students, worksheet number 9. Worksheet number 9. C and D. These are the homeworks. Okay. So, what is the C sum? So, draw a square of 4 centimeter length on each side. Draw a square. Okay. So, you using a ruler and square set. Okay. Draw a square in 4 centimeter mark. So, this is first sum for homework. So, second sum, draw a rectangle. Draw a rectangle of 3 centimeter length and height 4 centimeter. Okay. Draw a rectangle of 3 centimeter length, 4 centimeter height. Okay. So, these two sums are homework for you. Okay. C and D, worksheet number 9. Okay, ma? Do you understand this topic? Yes. Okay. Thank you, students. Take care. Bye.